This is called The Birds of the Air, or A Small Crisis of Confidence. The young poet messages me. Would I consider entering his slam? He loves my work, wants to make it a good night, a diversity of talent. Nice of him to ask an older woman to grace the lineup. Think perhaps I will take a punt. Surely youth, beauty and angry rectitude don't always trump age, wisdom and something more interesting? I'm trying to write another bloody bird poem about the sparrows in the yard, but who can better consider the birds of the air? They neither sow nor reap. So I nod off. Dream I'm at a party, waiting for the loo, busting for a number 2. Peter Davis, he's a poet, is in there taking ages. And when I finally get my turn, Santo Cazzati, Benjamin Solar and Ella Finelska, they're all poets too, are leaning in at the window, waiting for me to do it. 3 wise arbiters chittering commentary like the sparrows on next door's roof. There isn't even a toilet, but I'm desperate, so I squat on the floor and strain, produce one shameful sultana under a mountain of toilet paper. Awakening, I return to my sparrows perched along next door's roof. Bit, bit, wit, did it, wood, wood, bobba, did. Fill the water bowl, shake out crumbs. Zick, zick, bit. They regard my comings and goings. Trrr, trrr. Parachute down, down, down to the ground. No, that was too much information. This is just a quick last Christmas poem. Summer, and I wasn't going to do this if Mum was here, so I'm going to do it now. Summer is no golden gay time, waiting out another north wind heat wave. Hay seeds, itchy dust, irritations. He wants the radio on, cat food going off, frisson of flies circling. Summer holidays. Why can't you relax in the summer holidays? Slow down and enjoy them. Here comes Christmas. Try not to be irritable. Try to get along with your mother. Try and keep the peas. Heavenly, heavenly, heavenly peas. You know it really shits her. You haven't been to Mass for 27 years. You haven't got a husband. You're living in mortal sin and you haven't had any babies. Here comes New Year, drinking, drinking, Happy New Year, kissy, kissy. Resolution, no, 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 no more drinking, lose 10 kilos, no more chippies, cheesies, cashews, no more boozy bevies, exercise. Oh, but it's too hot. Exercise and no, 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 drinking. No, I'll do it after the holidays. No need to be so irritable and unpleasant. Why can't you just relax, Miss Ancy Pancy? Relax and enjoy the summer holidays.